Andiyan po ba si Luis?
Oo, yung hapon ako sa kanila.
Sige po, salamat po. Tao po. Tao po.
Uy, andiyan ka pala. Bakit? Kanina ba? Tara. Tara, upo ka.
Sige, salamat.
Ano ba? Ano yung ginagawa mo dito? Ba't ka napagpunta?
Ito po, magagawa tayo ng project.
Oo nga pala. Gusto mo ng ano? May inom?
Actually, kahit tubig na lang.
Sige. Nagagahan ka na ba?
Oo, tapos na.
Pasensya na, ang gulo sa bahay ha.
Hindi, okay lang.
Ito, sabi daw niya.
Sige, salamat.
Ano, gusto mo muna manood?
Sige.
Kasi kukunin ko pa yung mga gamit natin.
Sige, salamat.
Wait lang, ano ka lang. Pero mo,
Salamat.
tapos ka na dyan.
Oo. Thank you.
Ano na tayo?
No values. Philippine values is defined by the way of people live their life as an influence of one's culture. Philippines, having been an archipelago, has not become a hindrance towards having a single value system throughout the country. In whatever part of the country you may be, one will find the same hospitality that the Filipinos are known for, as well as many other values that have originated from our forefathers.
The Filipinos are very hospitable. When it comes to their fellow men, they will invite their visitors to come into their homes and offer them treats such as snacks and drinks after a long journey.